Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to draw a colorful umbrella. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big half circle on your page. This will be the top of our umbrella. Now, make some curves at the bottom of the half circle, like little hills. Great, that's the umbrella's frill. Next, draw a straight line down from the middle. That's the umbrella stick. At the bottom of the stick, draw a small hook shape so we can hold the umbrella. Now comes the fun part. Let's divide the umbrella into sections and color them with bright colors like red, blue, green, and yellow. Wow, your umbrella looks amazing. You did a great job. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time.